Loving you is like tangoing with tornadoes. I take 2 steps back and you whirl around me until my head spins and my insides are pudding and my love lies in fragments at my feet. And so I pick up the pieces and proceed to paint a pretty picture of how I think our love should be. You and me and you, going through to get to. But the grass don't seem no better on your other side. And it don't take but a whisper for the winds to change. Pick up speed, head in my direction, alter my protection. I have a confession. You scare me. You scare me. You scare me. I live on promises of love and come out starving on the other side. I've lost weight, hope, that tingling feeling that I had when you would walk into a room. Instead, that tingly feeling has moved up north in my chest and brought their drums and fists and bad intentions, and they'd stop my precious breath from coming out without a fight. I would catch glimpses of your former self peeking through the rose petals that you had picked up on the way home from work. You'd show up on the edge of had enough to wrap your arms around me and carry me safely back to deceit. This dance, this 2-step, this gruesome, twosome tango thing is maddening. It's taking more than it's giving back. As a matter of fact, there ain't nothing left to give. I want to stop time, but that doesn't work for me because you took everything that mattered to me, shoved my emotions in your back pocket, and went on your way, leaving me to wonder how many times will you tolerate not seeing my pain this time? Time, stop, pain, time, stop, pain, pain, stop, time, pain, stop, time, pain, stop, time, pain, stop. My love for you has just run out of time.